Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the upgrade version of the Happymodel Mobula7 frame. In this video I'm going to show the differences between the version 2 and the version 1, and then I'm going to install the new version on my Mobula7 and head outdoors and crash it as much as I can in order to test its durability. The major difference between the versions is the material they are made of. The version 2 is made out of a more flexible material, which is probably going to make it more durable when you're going to crash it. Besides that, the design is completely identical, the thickness of the frame is identical as well, and another difference is that the version 2 is a little bit lighter, and it weighs 4.22 grams, so it's a little bit lighter than the previous version, which weighs 4.43 grams. The version 2 is available in two colors, so you can get it in transparent white or transparent black, and all the new Mobulas are going to be shipped with this frame. So now I'm going to quickly change the frame of my Mobula7. And without further ado, now I'm going to head outdoors and crash it as much as I can, and I will see you in the end of this video in order to see the results. So I hope you enjoyed the flight footage and the crash compilation. First of all, I can tell you that it was kind of hard for me to intentionally crash the Mobula7, but I did it. And second of all, and more important, I can tell you that the frame survived and the only shown damage is this broken part over here. If you compare it to the first version, only after a couple of crashes this part was broken, so I can safely say that the new frame is more durable than the first version. And my advice is that even if you have a couple of extra V1 frames sitting aside, changing the frame takes about 10 minutes, so I recommend to get a couple of more V2 frames, and if your frame is broken, simply replace it with a new one. In addition, after flying it again, I think that Happymodel done a great job with the Mobula7, and it is very fun to fly, and I'm looking forward to see their next upgrades. They just announced a new 200mW VTX, and hopefully I will be able to test it soon. As always, I thank you for watching my video, I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos and goodbye.